that. Here, take that.
Thank you for being.
Hard to believe. I've seen pictures, but it's hard to believe when you're above it in a plane and to see the total devastation. You see no houses left. Not even the pads are left. It's incredible. And I have to say that the work that FEMA, first responders, local government, law enforcement is doing is incredible. These are some of the people that make it work, and they have made it work beautifully. You've seen the job they've done. Everybody has been incredible. FEMA and first responders, everybody, law enforcement. It's incredible with the power of this storm. Somebody said it was like a very wide, but you mean extremely wide tornado, because that's really what this was. This was beyond any winds that they've seen.
You feel like you made a mistake staying?
You thought it was over?
No, sir, I did not change my mind at all. I knew that I had made my commitment to stay with I have 3 animals, 3 dogs and a parrot. And I had nowhere to go, and I said, I'm going to ride it out, good Lord take care of mine. And he did.